Okay, I'm here now with Michael Rollins. He's the Vice President of Sales for Norris Cylinder Company. First question for you, Michael. What types of cylinders would GAWDA distributors typically buy from Norris?
Sure, I can answer that question. Thank you for having me, by the way. Norris Cylinder manufactures steel high-pressure cylinders from seamless steel, that is. Also plate-drawn cylinders. We also manufacture acetylene cylinders. We have two facilities, one in Longview, Texas, one in Huntsville, Alabama. And from there, we service over 80 countries worldwide. Obviously, this group, the GAWDA Group, is our most important market. We go to market with specific strategies, mostly service support. That's really where we are high quality. And we also have a very nice regional mix of sales managers that service the accounts directly.
Awesome. And of all the companies here selling cylinders, what sets Norris apart from them?
Good question. Yeah, so we have a lot of value add that differentiates us from other companies. Probably the key value adds are we're made in USA. I mean, to say that you're made in USA means that you have to have 95% of the products, the components, the material, and your labor has to come from the United States. So not only are we actually preserving and ensuring that we have employment for about 350 people that work for Norris, we're also employing and ensuring stability for the employers of the components that we buy for our cylinders, the steel, the raw material. So that's up the value chain and also down the value chain. So we're very proud of Made in USA. It's a key differentiator for us. Also, we are built to order. We don't warehouse, we don't stock anything. Every one of our orders that we take, especially for this group, is customized. It's built to order. Specific neck rings, specific paint, stamping. So we're also very, very different than our competitors in that regard.
Love that. And of all the things that GAWDA members may know about you, what might be one thing that they don't know about Norris Cylinder?
Yeah, there's a lot. For one thing, we're older than a lot of people think we are. We have a lot of legacy. The founder of our company, actually in 1933, Kenneth T. Norris, started Norris Industries, selling to automotive, things like hubcaps, bumpers, all things metal fabrication. Norris Industries then grew over the decades. At one time, we were even building thermodoor ranges for the market. We had a lot of great companies. Then in about the 50s, Norris acquired compressed gas cylinders, and that launched our entry into the cylinder business. Over the years then, after that, some of the divisions were sold off. We actually kept the Norris name, so we're now Norris Cylinder Company. And again, that's something that a lot of people don't realize about us, that we're a very old company. All things metal fabrication, that's really our unique competency. And I can say even further that it's the competency that's built around building packages for high pressure molecules. That's what we do best. Another thing that a lot of people don't know is that we have embarked in the last year on our sustainability path. We call it the sustainability journey. We are going to be able in the next few months to have third-party validation of our life cycle assessment. We're going to be able to declare what the actual embedded carbon footprint is on each one of our cylinders. So please stay tuned to our website. Ask your sales rep for more information on that. Some exciting news to come. I can also say that something that a lot of people don't know about us is we actually build some of the lightest weight steel high pressure cylinders on the market today. And this is important for our customers, especially for this group. There's safety considerations. Obviously, the lighter weight your cylinder is, the easier it is for you to maneuver, less back issues, less safety issues. And also, it's the fuel savings, the economy savings, the ability to say that you have a lighter weight product, because let's face it, when we're transporting molecules, we're mostly transporting steel. So the less material that we get into that cylinder, the lighter weight it is, it meets the norms, good for our customers, and also it's good for our scalability, our ability to drive out costs and become very, very competitive in the marketplace.
Very good. Interesting stuff. Thank you, Michael, for that quick update. If you're ever in the market for cylinders, consider buying USA cylinders from Norris.
Thank you.
They're a great company.
Appreciate
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.